This is the time of year where we have that heat, humidity, and instability, and just like that, we have those afternoon showers and thunderstorms.
And there you go. You're off to the races.
Yeah, you're off to the races.
And you
That's
are.
right.
And you're winning.
And yeah, this is going to be the copy-paste repeat forecast really over the next several days and, potentially over the next week or so. Now, here is a live look in Tyler. It looks mean, doesn't it? We've got those cumulonimbus clouds there in the distance and some rain falling from those clouds as well. Pretty mean storm over Henderson County. This is pointing off to the west there in Tyler. So we'll continue to see maybe another hour or two of these thunderstorms, but as we begin to lose that daylight, I do expect these thunderstorms to start to weaken just a little bit. But some heavy rain that continues to cross into Henderson County via Navarro County over the Trinity River near Log Cabin and Malakoff right there. We'll continue to see some heavy rain. Now, we don't have a severe thunderstorm in the area right now. Are these storms strong? Yes, most Texas storms are strong. And off to the north and to the east of Tyler, that's what's left of the storm that affected us about 30 minutes ago that Neil was alluding to. It's right along highways 155 and 271 as you cross Interstate 20 towards Winona, and also near Midway and Friendship as you get closer to the Gladewater vicinity. A couple of showers in southern Smith County as well. You point off to the east, some heavier rain falling in Harrison County, some lightning, but notice this little feature right here. This is what is called an outflow boundary, and anytime you see that, that's a good sign that these storms are starting to weaken. And with what Viper radar is showing us right here, less lightning strikes, that is a sure sign that these storms are weakening. Temperature-wise, they're all over the place. Look at Tyler. We've fallen to 76. Folks, a couple of hours ago when we weren't seeing the rain, we were at 91 degrees, so we've seen a dramatic temperature drop. Let's get you right to Futurecast. 10 o'clock tonight, the rain is done, but it's a little break with this front approaching us from the northwest. We should be dry through 3 o'clock in the morning, but as we head into about 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I will be tracking a complex of showers and thunderstorms to our north and to our west. So the most intense storms we see early tomorrow morning will be along Interstate 30. But watch what happens as these storms move to the southeast along the front. They'll just be bubble ups at that point, and they will weaken considerably as they close into Interstate 20 to the cities of Tyler and Longview. This is noontime, so right around lunchtime we still have that rain in the area. Front moves off to the south and to the east. Those storms will continue to weaken because the air is going to be slightly more stable by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, but we will start to see more storms because this front's not going anywhere. It's going to stall out to our south and to our east, and you can see that on the screen by Friday morning. We're also going to have to track those complexes of storms for Friday evening, so we will keep a close eye on that. What are we talking about as far as storm intensity goes? Well, I do think that we will see stronger storms to the north of Interstate 20. That's where we're going to see the strongest storms. To the south of I-20, that is where we're going to see the scattered storms, and it's mainly just going to be isolated. We'd be lucky if we saw some rain for deep East Texas, particularly to the south of Lufkin and Nacogdoches near southern Angelina and San Augustine County. The heaviest rain once again falling off to our north along Interstate 30. That's where you see that green. We could see maybe a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. Those will be our highest totals. But over the next 7 days, I am not taking the rain chances out for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As I mentioned, it's a very dynamic weather pattern, so we will have to keep a watchful eye on those showers and storms in the afternoons. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are dry. In deep East Texas, similar trend. Tracking those storms at least through Sunday afternoon. We should, keyword should, see a break as we head into next